Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the center of Tropical Storm Arthur is still expected to miss us. It's the area of rain ahead of Arthur that will likely affect things for at least part of the holiday weekend. Let's talk about Arthur first. You can see right now that swirl of rain just offshore from Florida. And Arthur has not moved very much at all over the past 12 hours. In fact, the movement right now, 0 miles per hour. It's just been sitting here with winds around 50 miles an hour. Now, as a disturbance approaches from the west, it'll eventually steer Arthur to the north, and then Arthur will start to strengthen, likely into a Category 1 hurricane by the time we get into Friday, and then Friday night into Saturday morning. A close pass here in southern New England. Minimal impacts here on land from the center of the storm, but again, it's that area of rain before the center that we'll talk about in just a few minutes, affecting things on Thursday and Friday. Right now on our city cam, you can see temperature in Providence 74 degrees, Smithfield 72, Newport 70, and New Bedford at 72. Another humid night on the way. AC required for sure. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12, not showing any radar. Notice there are some dying showers out here in upstate New York. A few waves of energy trying to move into New England, but high pressure protecting us for the most part. Eventually a front gets here. It will then grab some moisture from the tropics and from Arthur, and that's why heavy rain is a threat. In fact, I'm going to go through this. You don't have to pay too close attention to the time. I just want you to watch the general pattern here. Notice how all the green fills in as we go into Thursday and Friday. This is a sign that we have a deep tap of tropical moisture. And when we have something like this, downpours become a threat, localized flooding becomes a threat. Now, some damaging winds, dangerous lightning also possible with these thunderstorms, but again, it's those heavy downpours that I'm mainly concerned about. In terms of timing, well, it looks like that front would come through late Thursday into Friday morning, and the threat of the downpour is there any time from Thursday morning to Friday afternoon, but the most likely time frame looks like it would be Thursday afternoon into Friday morning, about a 60% chance of seeing some downpours then. So this does leave some hope for Friday afternoon, Friday evening for those fireworks. Too early to call off those just yet. As we look at our temperatures into tomorrow morning, already pretty sticky, low 70s by 6 o'clock in the morning, and then very similar to yesterday, or very similar to today, with temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, 87 Smithfield, Providence 87. Cooler here at the coast, Newport, Jamestown, because of that flow of wind out of the southwest. Once again, fog will hang tough in the morning, especially at the coast. By mid-morning, trying to clear out, and then some hazy, partly sunny skies into the afternoon, mid to upper 80s. Breezy once again. In fact, those breezes a welcome thing to try to drain in some of that humidity, or actually drain away some of that heat and humidity. The breezes make it feel a little more refreshing. Now, in the 7-day Futurecast, I do want to point out tomorrow night there will be the chance of some showers and thunderstorms, and then Thursday and Friday prime time for those showers and thunderstorms. Here's my forecast for the 4th of July. You can see cloudy at 9 o'clock in the morning, likely showers and thunderstorms, but look what happens as we go through the rest of the day. Just some scattered thunderstorms around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 8 p.m. just before the fireworks, I have partly sunny skies with most of the rain over with. Now, obviously the timing on this can change, but I do like the trend I'm seeing with some of this clearing out for late Friday. But obviously, if the track of Arthur were to change, it would become a much more serious situation here in southern New England, so we still need to watch that carefully. Then on Saturday, as long as Arthur stays far away, we're looking really good. Low humidity, very comfortable, low 80s. Then on Sunday, 83 degrees with mostly sunny skies. So we'll track all of this very carefully. You know, I'm not completely washing out the 4th of July just yet.
No, I know we're in hurricane season, but it's a little early to be talking about all of this.
And doesn't Artie know that we have some American pride and he needs to stay off?
I know. I tried to explain that to Mother Nature. She did not listen to me.
Okay. Well, hopefully she starts listening to you.
Yes, hopefully.
There is much more to come on Eyewitness News at 10. Another problem for GM, a deadly explosion at one of their metal stamping plants.